So today we're gonna be looking at SAO Bento Grande de Mestre Bimba, or in other words, SAO Bento Grande de Regional, or do Regional, da Regional. This is the main rhythm used in Capoeira Regional, okay? And it consists of, well, actually I'm gonna show you how to play, I'm not gonna explain, all right? It gets a bit simpler when you play faster. No, and that's not true actually what I'm saying. When you play faster, it's always harder to play Berimbau. But instead of doing two shadows, you're gonna replace them with only one shadow. Cool, and that's the bass rhythm for SAO Bento Grande do Mestre Bimba. Let's talk about some repiques, okay? So in the usual bateria, Capoeira Regional bateria, the setup. What I'm trying to say, you have to be very careful when using repique in the traditional battery of Capoeira Regional because the setup is only one berimbau and two pandeiros. So you might throw off the roda by starting to being crazy on the berimbau, where there is only one berimbau. You don't believe me? You can always check this out on Google. Actually, you know, let's do it just now. Mestre Bimba bateria, one berimbau, two pandeiros. Usually médio? Okay, that's very interesting. So I didn't lie to you, okay? Okay, repique 2. Don't forget to touch the stone after you open the cabaça, okay? This is a very small detail, but makes the rhythm sound better. And third one. Get familiar with the berimbau and enjoy it because it's fun instrument, okay? So we're gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something, and I hope I'm gonna see you in the next video, all right? Bye.